Hello everyone, today we will solve a simple challenge in React in HackerRank. So this challenge consists in check if all input are filled. If it's not, if we try to submit the form, we will display a message error. And if everything is filled correctly, when we submit the form, we will display the form below and clear the inputs. So basically is that. So we will have some user scenarios. So the unit test will try to fill the name, email, and message, and then we'll click on submit. And enter information need to be displayed below, okay? And all input need to be cleared. And the second scenario covered by unit test is try to fill but leave some input empty. Click on submit and the information don't can be displayed because we have an error and we need to display the message error, okay? Simple. Let's do it. First, we will create a function that will validate if our state is empty. We needed to create it inside the main function because that is a reusable function that can be used across whole application. So it's a help function. So in this case, we will call this name as is empty. Okay. And we will receive a parameter on it called value. And the function will validate if value.length is empty. Okay. But we will cover other scenarios. First, we will validate if value is null or value is undefined, okay? So, first, check if it's null, then is undefined. If it's not, validate if the length is 0. This function validate if a string is empty, okay? So let's return to our submit function. First, we will do a validation here and check if name or email or message is empty. Okay, if it is, we will return because we don't want to proceed with the submission handling. Okay, but before return, we need to set the message error, right? So we will need to set the message error, and the message need to be exactly what was defined in the challenge, because the unit test will check if this label is on the screen. So let's check the correct value for this error. Okay, here. All fields, oh, it's case sensitive, so need to type correctly. Fields are required dot. Don't forget the dot because, as I mentioned, the unit test will validate if this exactly string is on the screen. Okay, so pay attention on it. So here we cover the first scenario when we have one input empty. Okay, we will set the error message, then return. Okay, let's proceed. If we don't have error, we wanna set the form data, and that will be an object with the key value name, email, and message. Because as you can see here below, we are trying to accessing these keys inside an object. So this is what we are doing here. Okay. Now we need to do one more thing. After the submission, we need to clear all state. But again, let's create a function to describe this handler and to easily understand what the code is doing. So that function will be called clear states, form states, okay? And that don't need any parameter, but that will do, oh, assign, forgot to assign, okay. We are assigning this function inside this variable, okay? Just clear the sets. So we can start with the name, set empty, and set email empty also, set message empty, and the error also, because when I submit correctly the form, I also want to clear my error states. Okay, let's do it here and done. Okay, let's check if we cover all scenario. If we have some input empty, show the message and don't proceed. If it's not, submit and clear state. Enough. I think we cover all scenario. Let's run the test. Everything passed and done. Well done. So simple thing. Here we apply conditional handling because we just handle the content of error message only we have an error. And the same for data forms, submitted data form. And we are manage our state, clear that and fill that. So the most important principle of React was applied here. So basically this is React, and I hope this guidance help you to prepare yourself to do code challenge, live coding in your process hiring. And yeah, thank you for watching. And please, if you like this video, press the button like and follow for more tips like that. Thank you and good luck.